Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of grammar. In the previous lecture, we have seen about chapter number 10 verbs. We have seen verbs and helping verbs. Now, let us understand some more exercise of be and helping verbs. So, what we have learned in the previous chapter, what we have learned in the previous lecture, let us quickly revise. What is a verb? Verb is a action words, okay? Verb is an important part of a sentence, okay? We cannot make a sentence without a verb, okay? We have learned the three things here regarding the verbs, that the physical action which is taken place is known as doing words, okay? Travels and moves are the example of verbs. And what we have learned, there is a state verbs and belonging verbs. So state verbs the shows what it tells about a person or a thing, okay? And be is you and belongings we are used has is used to denote the belonging here, okay? We have also learned verbs are words that tell us what a person or a thing does, is, or has, okay? So it tells about the gives more information about a noun or a person or thing, okay? So we have learned the state verbs here: is, are, am, was, were, and will be. These are all the state verbs, okay? In the singular form, for belonging we are using has and had. In the plural form we are using have and had, okay? We have seen the exercise for physical action, state for the state of the things or person, and for belonging also we have seen the exercise, okay? This was the first exercise which we have seen, okay? So if it is a is, we will use as a physical action. Attacks, it is an action, so we will refer as physical action. Lift is also physical action. Is again a state verb, okay? And have, it shows the belonging here, and is, it also refer as the state verb. Now we have also seen in the previous lecture about verbs and helping verbs. So is moving, is a helping verb and moving is a main verb, okay? Has won, so has is a helping verb and won is a main verb, okay? So we have seen the difference between main verb and helping verb. Also we have seen what happen usually or regular which we are talking and using in our day to day life, okay? So in singular person, am, I am, we are, you are for second person, he, she, he is, she is, and it is for third person, and they are for plural, okay? In the third person. We have also seen the be exercise and make the words using the tables, okay? So we have also read all the sentences here, okay, using this table. These all are the helping verbs we have used for creating the sentence here, okay? Okay, now verbs and helping verbs, we have finished the chapter. We have also seen the exercise C1. Now we are moving ahead with the C, D and E exercise, okay? So let us see one more time the C exercise. Tick the correct form of be and have to complete the following sentence, okay? So we are using be and have to complete the following sentence here, okay? First one, I am are watching a movie right now. So I is a singular person, so we have used am here. I am watching a movie right now. Second one, Sania have a pet dog called Bruno. Bruno is black in color. So has is a singular verb, okay? So singular person is there. Now third one. Now see here in the third one you can see bamboo are the fastest growing plant in the world. It is the main source of food for giant pandas and gorillas. Here you can see bamboo is referred as is. Why it is a singular form? So we have use is, okay? If it is plural form we will use are, okay? in the fourth one you can say plural form is there. Aditi and Namit are poets. They are reading their poems in the class. So these are in the plural form. Okay. Now let us see the exercise D1. Tick the correct form of B to complete the sentences. First one, Anil was running late for school. Okay. So Anil was running late for school. Now in the first sentence you can see student, Anil is a singular person, so we'll use the was here. Okay. If it is plural will be there, then we will use were here. Okay. Now you already we have studied in the previous lecture. You can see here where we will use was. We will use was in all the singular format. Only in second person we will use were, and the plural form we will use were. Okay, in all the form. Okay. So Anil is a singular person. So Anil was running late for school. So Anil is a third person here. Okay. You were brilliant in the Anil is the first person here. Okay. Second one, you were brilliant in the play last night. Satya acted well too. Okay. So you were brilliant. So you is the second person. So we are using here were. Okay. You were brilliant in the play last night. Satya acted well too. Okay. So you were brilliant. Okay. So here we are using as second person. So we are using were here. Third one, bamboo was discovered in China almost 5,000 years ago. Okay. So when was bamboo discovered? 5,000 years ago. Now here you can see bamboo is in the singular format, right? Bamboo is referred as a thing. Okay. So it is a singular form we are used. So we will use was here. Okay. Bamboo was discovered in China. Okay. Fourth one, I was going to school when I found this kitten on the road. Okay. So I is a singular form. So we will use was here. Okay. So I was going to school when I found this kitten on the road. All of you know what is kitten? The child of the cat is called kitten. Okay. So I was going to school when I found this kitten on the road. Okay. Now let us see the exercise E1. Okay. Underline all the verbs and helping verbs in the paragraph. Okay. So you have to underline the verbs as well as the helping verbs in the paragraph. Okay. So let us understand what are the verbs and helping verbs. So what we have studied in the what is the helping verbs and main verbs, right? So helping verbs we have studied here, right? What are the helping verbs? Main verbs is moving is the helping verbs and moving is the main verb here. Okay. For example, here has this show has won many awards. So won is a main verb and has is the helping verb here. Okay, students. Now let us study this exercise. The Ajanta caves are a series of 30 Buddhist cave temples near Mumbai. Now here what is the verb here? The verb is are here. Why? The Ajanta are a series of 30 Buddhist caves. Okay, what are Ajanta caves? They are series of Buddhist cave temples near Mumbai. So are is the verb, so we will underline the are here. Okay. Most of these caves were built in the 15th century. Okay. So built is an action word. So helping verb will be were. Okay. So as caves is also a plural form. So we will use were built. Okay. So all of you remember when there is a plural form we will use were. Okay. In the plural form you only use were. Okay. Because if it is plural form in the all the first, second, third person we are using were. Okay. And in the first person we are using in the singular first and third person we are using was. In the second person we are using only were. Okay. So for plural were built in the 15th century. Okay, the king Harishena was ruling the region at that time. So was ruling was an here ruling is the main verb here, was is the helping verb here. Okay, so as King Harishena is a singular person, right? It is only one person, so we will use was ruling. Okay, here was ruling is used. Okay, now let us go with the story. So Ajanta caves are a series of 30 Buddhist cave temples near Mumbai. So Ajanta caves, all of you are familiar with Ajanta caves. They are series of series. What is a series? Series uh, means series. What we were saying in the line. Okay, series of 30 Buddhist cave temples. So there are 30 Buddhist cave temples near Mumbai in Ajanta caves. Okay, there are Buddhist caves. Buddhist is the religion, right? And there are many temples here. Okay, near Mumbai. Most of these caves were built in the 15th century. So these caves were built in the 15th century, and King Harishena was ruling the region at that time. So he was the king at that time. Okay, King Harishena. The caves were built by the Buddhist monks as a prayer halls and houses for few centuries. So this here you can see in this sentence the caves were used. So where is used, caves is there. Okay, where used. Okay, you can see caves and where is used. So where is the helping verb and used is the verb here. Were used by the Buddhist monks. Okay, so these caves were built by the Buddhist monks here. All of you know Buddhist monks, right? So the saint which are in the following the Buddha, God Buddha. So they are using as, they are referred as the Buddhist. Okay. So these temples were built by the these caves were built by the Buddhist monks. Monks means sadhu. Okay. As prayer halls. So they were use this cave as a prayer halls, right? They were praying there, and houses for a few centuries. Okay, and they have also prepared houses there for few centuries. Centuries means 100 years. Okay, 100 year is called a century, and for centuries means many 100 years. Okay, then they were forgotten. Okay, so then they were forgotten. Now here you can see plural form is they, so we will use were here, were forgotten. Okay, now you see here students, were forgotten. Okay, so where it is used as a plural form. Okay, so they were forgotten by in the history. Okay, because it is a very long story, because in the century Ajanta caves was built in the 15th century, so it is a nearly 500 centuries ago. Okay, from now. Okay, the caves were found again in 1819. Okay, so it is recently find out in the 1819. Okay, in the 100 before 100 years it was the caves were found. The caves were found again in the 1890. Now here also caves is there, and it is a plural form, so we will use were found. Okay, in the 1819. Okay, so students, here you have to see was and where it is used. Okay, for singular person was is referred, and for plural person there is a where it is used. Okay, so now let's quickly study what we have learned in this chapter. So our chapter has been finished. Now we are revising what we have learned. We have learned verbs. Verbs is an action verb. We have learned the physical action, state form, state action here. What is the state of the noun, person or thing, and what is the belonging, and the verbs for belonging is used. Okay, is, are, am, was, were, and will be are the verbs here. Okay, state verbs. Okay, we have seen the state verbs, we have seen the verbs and the helping verbs. Okay, we have seen the first person, second person, and third person in singular and plural form, and we have also created the sentence in this chapter, and we have also used what if something is happening and we are talking about that in the singular and plural form, what we have to used. Okay, and we have also used the correct form of be and have verbs in the sentence. Okay, and was, where, okay, we have used in this chapter. Okay, so this was our chapter on verbs. Okay, so that's for today now. Thank you and have a nice day.